Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to enter today's dates into a cell in Excel 2016 in many different ways. When you type date entries in Excel, it is advisable that you use a slash or a dash. For example, I input today's dates on cell E2. Today is 27, so April 2020. So I use dash to enter the date, or you can use slash to enter the date 27 slash 04 slash 2020. Another way, you also can get today's date from your current system machine by using a shortcut key, control key with semicolon. Control key with semicolon. You also get today date from the system. It depends on the system. If you use the Excel file tomorrow and you press control with semicolon, you will get today date on 28. It depends on when you use the shortcut key. And also, if you want to get the next date, you just place your cursor on the cell of the date that you want to make the next date and move the cursor at the lower right corner of the cell, and you will see the plus sign, and then click on it and drag it. Drag down to the cell and you will see the next day, next day, next day, next day. Or you want to repeat the date, you can hold down the control key to repeat the date. Okay, put the cursor here and hold down the control key and drag it. And then you will repeat the same date. And another way to get the today date, you can use the formula today and parenthesis and press enter. And you also get today date. But when you use formula in the cell, so the today date will change every time you open the Excel file. Like for example, tomorrow you will see 28 April 2020. It depends on your computer system date and time. So another way, if you want to get the timestamp, you can use formula as well. And now, and you will get the timestamp date and time. So it works the same way with today function. If you open this file tomorrow, and you will get the new date with time. You also can get the current time from the system by press control key and shift key and semicolon. So you get only time. Thank you so much for your watching. If you want to get more tutorial video, please subscribe to my channel.